So hello everyone, in this video we will talk about SOUN stock and the key levels to watch September 17, 2025. In previous trading session the stock formed a bearish spin bar candle. The key resistance level is $15.50. If the price breaks above $15.50 it could test $17.06. The key support level is $13.74. If the price goes below $13.74 it could test $12.60. That's my view on SOUN stock today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more update. This video is for education only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.